how AI robots will change human life by 2030. By 2030, the world could look completely different from what we know today. Millions of jobs may be performed by AI robots. Self-driving cars could become normal, and intelligent machines may become part of our everyday lives. Some people believe this technology will create a better future. Others warn it could become humanity's biggest challenge. So what will life really look like in 2030? And are we truly ready for it? Let's find out. Imagine waking up in the year 2030. You open your eyes and your AI assistant has already planned your entire day. A robot prepares your breakfast. Your home has cleaned itself. Your car is waiting outside, ready to drive you to work without a human driver. Sounds like science fiction. Well, it isn't. The future you're imagining is being built right now. And according to many experts, the next few years could completely transform the way humans live, work, and interact with the world. The robot revolution has already begun. Most people think robots belong in the future, but the truth is, they're already everywhere. Factories use robots to build cars, warehouses use robots to move products, hospitals use robotic systems to assist surgeons. Restaurants are testing robot chefs and robot waiters. The difference today is artificial intelligence. Old robots simply followed instructions. New AI robots can learn, adapt, and make decisions. That's what makes them so powerful. Now imagine having your own personal AI robot. By 2030, many experts believe households could have AI assistants that help with daily tasks. Need groceries? Your robot orders them. Need help with homework? Your robot becomes your tutor. Need to organize your schedule? Your robot manages everything automatically. For elderly people, AI robots could provide companionship and monitor their health. For busy families, they could save hours every week. Just as smartphones changed the world in the last decade, AI robots may become the next essential technology. But let's talk about something that worries millions of people: jobs. Will robots take human jobs? The answer is some of them, yes. Many repetitive tasks are already being automated. Data entry, basic customer service, warehouse operations, administrative work. AI can perform many of these tasks faster and cheaper than humans. But history teaches us something important. Whenever a major technology arrives, some jobs disappear and new jobs emerge. The rise of AI could create entirely new careers: AI trainers, robot technicians, automation specialists, human AI collaboration experts. The people who learn how to work alongside AI may have a huge advantage in the future. Healthcare is another area that could be transformed. Imagine AI detecting diseases before symptoms appear. Imagine robots assisting surgeons with incredible precision. Imagine medical systems analyzing millions of records in seconds to discover better treatments. This could save countless lives. Healthcare may become faster, more accurate, and more accessible than ever before. Now think about entire cities powered by AI. Traffic lights that automatically reduce congestion, self-driving vehicles communicating with each other to avoid accidents, delivery robots bringing packages directly to your doorstep, smart systems reducing energy waste and making cities more efficient. By 2030, many cities may look very different from the ones we know today. But despite all these benefits, there are risks. Many people worry about privacy, others worry about security. If AI systems become powerful enough to make important decisions, who controls them? And what happens if they are misused? These questions don't have easy answers. That's why the development of AI must be handled carefully and responsibly because technology itself is neither good nor bad. What matters is how humans choose to use it. One thing is certain: AI robots are no longer a distant dream. They are becoming a reality, and by 2030, they could be as common as smartphones are today. The future is arriving faster than most people realize. The real question is not whether AI will change human life. The real question is, are we ready for the world that's coming? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about artificial intelligence, robotics, and the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.